What's up, world changers? It's your Kuya Cal. Ayun. And today we're going to have our Love City. But before that, pupunta muna tayo sa grocery at mag-grocery ng ibibigay. Ayan. Ano nga ba ang Love the City? Love the City is an initiative of Every Nation Campus Lawag and in partner with Victory Lawag. And ang gagawin natin, pupuntahan natin yung 160 families na kinuha namin or binigay ng mga schools sa San Nicolas National High School, sa INS, sa MMSU at sa INCAT. At hindi lang yon, nagbigay din ang City of Lawag ng mga beneficiary ng Love the City na ito. Right? Tara na, let's grocery. Come on!
Security personnel, thank you for shopping at Robinson's.
And now, on set, papunta na kami sa mga bahay-bahay nila. See you there. I just wanna share kung bakit namin ginawa ito. As you can see, 2020 was the challenging year of them all. COVID-19 hits us, nagkaroon ng pandemic, mga students nasa loob ng bahay lang. Tapos yung mga workers, madaming workers na lay off sa trabaho. Hindi lang yung sa Taal Volcano, tapos yung mga floods dun sa Cagayan. Somehow, ang hirap mag-celebrate ng Christmas. Sabi nga nila, cancel 2020. O kaya, cancel 2020 Christmas. Pero we have a similar thing going sa mga Israelites. They were conquered by Babylonians by that time. Nasira lahat. Mga gates, mga structures nila, I think sa mga trabaho pa nila nawala. And nag-aantay din sila ng pag-asa. And God responded to them by this great gift of them all sa Christmas Day. And sabi nga naman dun sa verse sa Isaiah chapter 9, sabi dun, whoever lives in darkness, a light shone. For to us a child is born, and that child is Jesus Christ. As you can see, we did not just give gifts sa mga families na pinuntahan namin, but we also preach the gospel to them. And I thank God, ang daming na-bless, and most especially, ang daming nag-accept kay Jesus Christ as their Lord and Savior.
We just wanna thank you for those people who help us sa pagpapat, and even sa mga tao who is generously enough to give to this cause. Thank you for those volunteers who are with us in delivering these goods and delivering the packages to the families who are in need this season. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope na you're encouraged by this.